Welcome back to the Coder Therapist channel. Today, we're diving into the world of Kafka, what it is, how it works, and what tools are out there that are similar to it. If you've heard the term Kafka thrown around in tech circles but aren't sure what it means, or if you're curious about other tools like it, this video is for you. We'll break it down step by step, using flow diagrams to make everything crystal clear. So, let's get started. What is Kafka? Kafka is a distributed streaming platform, originally developed by LinkedIn and now maintained by the Apache Software Foundation. But what does that mean? In simple terms, Kafka is a tool that helps handle large amounts of data in real time. It's like a super efficient post office for data, where messages are constantly being sent, stored, and delivered. Let's break it down with a flow diagram. Imagine you have different applications or devices, let's call them producers, that generate data. This could be anything from user clicks on a website to sensor data from a factory. These producers send their data to Kafka. Kafka organizes this data into categories called topics. Think of topics like folders where related messages are stored. For example, all website clicks might go into a user activity topic. Now, other applications or systems, called consumers, can subscribe to these topics and pull the data they need. Kafka acts as the middleman, ensuring that data flows smoothly and is available whenever the consumers need it. One key thing about Kafka is that it's designed to be fast, scalable, and reliable. It can handle millions of messages per second, which is why companies like Netflix, Uber, and Twitter use it. It's also distributed, meaning it runs on multiple servers, or brokers, to ensure there's no single point of failure. So, in short, Kafka is a powerful tool for streaming and processing data in real time. But what if Kafka isn't the right fit for your needs? Let's talk about some Kafka-like tools. Kafka versus alternatives. Now that we know what Kafka is, you might be wondering, are there other tools out there that do similar things? Absolutely. There are several Kafka-like tools, each with its own strengths and use cases. Let's look at a few, and I'll show you how they compare using another flow diagram. First up is RabbitMQ. Like Kafka, RabbitMQ is a messaging system, but it's more focused on queuing messages and ensuring they're delivered in order. It's great for scenarios where you need reliable, point-to-point communication, but it might not scale as well as Kafka for huge data streams. Next, we have Apache Pulsar. Pulsar is another distributed messaging and streaming platform, similar to Kafka, but it's designed to be even more scalable and offers features like multi-tenancy, which means it can handle different users or teams on the same system without interference. Then there's Redpanda. Redpanda is a newer tool that's often described as a drop-in replacement for Kafka. It's built for speed and simplicity, using less resources than Kafka while still handling high-throughput data streams. Finally, NATS is another option. It's lightweight and focuses on high-performance messaging, but it's better suited for smaller-scale applications compared to Kafka or Pulsar. So, while Kafka is a powerhouse, these alternatives might be better depending on your specific needs, like budget, scale, or complexity. Why use these tools? Why would you choose Kafka or one of these other tools? Well, they're all used for things like real-time analytics, event streaming, data integration, and log aggregation. For example, if you're a company tracking user behavior on your app, you might use Kafka to stream that data to your analytics team in real time. Or, if you're building a system where different parts need to communicate instantly, like in financial trading, you might opt for a tool like NATS or RabbitMQ. The key is to match the tool to your use case. Kafka is great for big data and high throughput, but alternatives might be easier to set up or more cost-effective for smaller projects. So, there you have it, a quick dive into what Kafka is and some Kafka-like tools you can explore. Kafka is a distributed streaming platform that handles real-time data flow between producers and consumers, and tools like RabbitMQ, Apache Pulsar, Redpanda, and NATS offer similar but sometimes simpler or more specialized options. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss our next deep dive into tech topics. Have you used Kafka or any of these tools? Drop a comment below, I'd love to hear your experiences. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Take care.